Hi, Ted. Thanks. I just wrote down my point of view, and I wrote my why, basically, of an experience with my loved one, and just wrote down a few sentences about what my focus would be on. So, sustainability in health outcomes is what I am diving into, and I found through the niching work that emotional components, emotional root causes are where I'm going to focus on. So, yeah, so going on superficial level, just bodily symptoms or your body appearance, if you're going to correct that, basically you're going to have it for a few days or a few weeks, but then it'll fall through the cracks. If you want to go a level deeper at where you will be able to recognize the emotions attached, the resistance which is coming up, and the whys, then we see sustainability because then your organic solutions will come up. It won't be a solution proposed by me, but you will be in a relaxed state to bring your own or sprout your own solutions. That's what I'm aiming at.
I love that. That's great.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I mean, it's a very clear, it's a nice pithy sentence, sustainability and health outcomes. So, yeah, I just think that's really good. Um, Because you want to explain to everyone what you do exactly, because you work with doctors, I believe, or that's the goal.
Yeah, so my niche is I help people with chronic illnesses to find their emotional root cause and gain sustainable health balance.
Right. Yeah. So they got some, and particularly what I remember, Manpreet sharing was you've got these doctors and they have people with chronic health issues and they give them the prescriptions and they give them the you should do this and the people don't do it. So there's not the kind of compliance. So the patients leave, come back in worse shape or the same shape. Nothing has really changed because they're not actually doing this stuff. And so, yeah, so Manpreet is sort of setting herself up to be able to go to those doctors, the doctors in the clinic she's in to say, look, let me help you. This is my magic touch. I can help get more sustainable health outcomes, which is going to get you more word of mouth, you better reviews because your patients are actually going to get better, that kind of thing. So I think you're just on track. Keep going.
Thank you. Means a lot.